How's it going on? I just feel I missed you. Yeah, guys, I miss you. I really love to talk to you guys. Yeah, that's the reason I create a video, try to make a video. Whatever, this is not about topic about your video, about this. Okay, so what is today's topic and why it is interesting? Let me tell you introduction. Our AI and ML and deep learning project get a regular. So, what is this? And why we will need it? Okay, let me clear it. If you want to become an AI engineer, ML engineer, they are different. So, you must be need to know about the project and you need to build a project. So, here I create a project and it almost gonna be hit 100K stream. I hope you gonna be come here and give a star. Okay, that's this. Okay, fine. Fine. But about this get up therefore, so this is just only one simple that we got. But why it is special? Here, ML, deep learning, computer vision, NLP, and generative AI, hybrid solution, a recommendation. So here they start. Oh, it's boom, sky. Oh, that's interesting. I love that. So the project list. Here first you're gonna be ML roadmap and node. That's all my node learning code. This I was used and my generative roadmap and lunch. I also have some notes you can also check. And generative AI, that's one of the important line graph. I'm still learning it. I'm not expert. Okay, algorithm, scratch, and GPT too. Everything, you know. I just watch it as anti-capacity and I'm trying to build my own REPO. Oh, prompt engineering. That's interesting. RAG roadmap and project. RAG engineer. If you want to become RAG engineer, that's ML engineer 50%. Everyone said. Okay. Build with Claude code. If you don't know how to write in Claude code, that's make help map for AI. Oh, okay. That's not project. Okay, that's the learning first. So predict price prediction system. That's important. Stock price prediction. Laptop price prediction. ML housing crop and data science salary prediction. Oh, data science salary prediction. That's interesting project. I hope you love it. And here is the natural language processing. Here one project fine tuning. Yes, sir. There's already have a paper. We already created a paper, so you can also read the paper. Sentiment analyze, resume screening, email spam, classify, Bangla SMS classifier. That's another project. It's not mine, but I brought someone else. Okay, whatever. Oh, recommendation system. Here is the interesting part. The recommendation system of recommendation system. That is important. You need more add. Oh, I know. Okay, fine. That's computer vision. Okay, computer vision, false detection. Cat was the dog, everyone knows. Okay, fine. Data analysis and visualization. Why data analysis and visualization? Because without data analysis, nothing. AI also nothing. So that's the reason you need to know about this. Oh, data analysis. To an AI application. Wow. Production graduate drag, neural bridge, and peppermint. This is not project. This is the visualization for the paper. Okay, I need to remove it. Okay, tool studio. Okay, just API use, API use, API use. Training data board. That's important. AI engineer from scratch. That's also important. Kaggle competition. Awesome ML startup. Okay, production AI system. I love to that. You love that. Just come here and watch this. You're gonna love this. Because this is all you need for become AI engineer from scratch. First project, I learned program, customer chatbot using RAG, fine tuning. X is a clone, perplexity. You need to know the project. Research, deep research, and multiple model use. So you love that. Okay, just watch and explore. I'm gonna share with this like